Hey, what is up YouTube, DZB, so we're back with you guys with another video. How you guys doing? How you guys feeling? Today we got another unboxing video for you guys, so let's get right into it. Let's get it. Alright guys, I'm unboxing this Ram Reezy. No, I'm just playing, that's not it. That's a little collector's item to go in my truck. A little replica. This is what we're going to be unboxing in today's video, guys. I don't know if it's focused or not, but it's the Fifine from Fifine Technologies. It's a new microphone I picked up for better audio for my gaming videos, etc. So let's get into the boxing. Let's see what's inside, guys. Yes, here's the box. Fifine Technology, pretty small packaging. Let's see what's inside. Okay, you see here, Fifine Technology. The model is K669. It comes in black and like a kind of like a reddish purplish color. I went with the, you see for a second, but I went with the purple myself to match like my chair. I'm trying to go with the, like a black and purple theme for my setup. So there's the mic. It's like a pretty clean, sleek little mic. And here it is. That's pretty much it for the packaging. Put this thing here. Okay, I guess it comes with a little stand. Feels like metal. I guess it's a very tiny stand. If you want it on your table, it's pretty cool. It comes with a stand, so that's useful if you want to stand it up. I did read in the reviews that this is not a detachable mic. That it's fine for my needs. Like, that doesn't matter to me. Like, I don't need it to be detachable. I'm just gonna have it stay in one spot. So you can see it's not detachable. It's a USB. Just plug and play. Very simple to use. Here it is. If it doesn't feel cheap at all, it's very nice feeling. Very like a nice metal, like kind of like a matte finish metal finish to it. It's pretty simple to use. Not a bunch of knobs, just one volume knob right here. It's a little Fifine logo on there. See, it's like a. In the description, it's supposed to be like a type of red, but it's like a very like a metal purple. Don't really know how to explain the color, but there's a stand for the arm things you can use for it, which is I'll be picking up for one. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be plugging it in. This is gonna be some unboxing and a testing review. So in one video, I'm gonna plug it in, test it, and give you guys a full review of what I think about this mic. Go ahead and wrap this. I ordered this off Amazon. Amazon Prime only came within 2 days, so it was very, very fast shipping. It came earlier than what it said it was going to come to. It came pretty early in the morning also. I said it was supposed to come late at night, but it came early in the morning. There's the little stand. Stretchable legs for it. Yeah, it doesn't really feel cheap. It's kind of like pretty solid metal and stuff. No tools needed. It's always good. Just like so. And so you can make it tighter, which I'm about to do right now. See? So I'll move as much. It turns fully around too. That's a pretty cool little touch to it. Alright, and this is how it looks on my desk. And I just picked up this Naruto light a couple weeks ago back, actually. I ordered that also off Amazon. Pretty cool. It changes colors too. Just thought I'll show you guys that. Comes with the remote. You could you can put on that setting too, so it can keep blinking. If you guys want to have the link for that, I'll leave the link down below. Just let me know if you guys would like to pick that up. Let's get back to the mic. That's how it looks on the table. So it sounds pretty good. Pretty good height. It looks really clean. Doesn't look cheap. Don't feel cheap. And I already know it's not gonna work cheap, but I'll test it for you guys so you guys can see. If you guys looking for a starter mic, I know this is gonna do me well. I know it'll do you guys well. Hello. Alright guys, testing the microphone right now. Just moving the knob up and down, see, like, going from lowest to loudest, see what's the best. Let's keep it at this angle for a second, then we'll go closer. Hello. How you guys doing? How you guys feeling? Hello. Hey, what is up YouTube? This is Abusive here. Back with you guys with another video. Hello. Testing, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2. Yeah, we'll play it back and we'll see how does it go, but let me know what you guys think of the audio so far. I'm hoping it's gonna be good, but it should be really clear and really nice even without the pop filter. Hello. Let's put the volume all up now. Let's place it on my desk from this distance, see how it picks up. But yeah guys, if you guys are interested in picking up this mic, I'll leave it down below in the description. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think of the color I picked out. You think the black would have been better? You guys think this one looks pretty good? Personally, me, I like this color. I think a nice little touch to it. Hello. Testing, 1, 2. This is me talking on the Fifine microphone. And I am now recording from the Fifine K669 microphone, USB microphone, for $27 off of Amazon.com with free shipping. You guys let me know what you guys think of the audio. Right now it is placed on my desk and I'm at a pretty good distance on it. The volume is in the middle of medium. It's not too low, it's not too high. I just now played back a clip of the audio and I think it sounds very clear, very good. It's just very amazing for the price point. I think it's up there. It can compete with some of the microphones that go for $100. No doubt. For the price is just crazy. $27. You can't go wrong with this mic. I mean, it looks good. Sounds great. Sounds really clear and crisp. I have no complaints about it so far. I mean, yeah, it has a really nice metal finish to it that has kind of like a matte look to it, kind of. Comes with a little stand if you want a stand for it. It's cool that it comes with it. The only downfall is that it doesn't have a detachable USB mic, but that doesn't bother me. I mean, I don't need to pull out the USB. I don't know how many people out there that really need to pull out the USB port themselves, but I'm not one of them. I just leave it plugged in. I'm going to leave it on my desk and that's it. And so for $27, it's amazing bang for your buck. I don't let the price fool you guys. It is a very fantastic mic. It's very clear sounding. There's no hissing or anything like that. It just sounds really clear. It catches it picks up your voice very well, even at a good distance, even on low volume settings. This is raw voice footage, not messing with any settings or anything, just straight plugged in, and that's it. It's just raw footage from the Fifine K669 microphone. and let me know your guys' thoughts, what you guys think of this microphone. Personally, me, it's fantastic. I really recommend it. For the price, how can I not recommend it? Instead of picking up a Blue Yeti like I was supposed to, but for the price, come on, $27 compared to over $100. No. Yeah, guys, that was it. Play back the audio. The audio sounds amazing, as you guys heard. Very clear, very crisp. Personally, me, I like it a lot. Probably the best audio I ever experienced myself. I did a lot of research of even more higher end mics, and this competes with it very much. Like, this mic right here is amazing. It's very easy to use. It's a USB port. You plug it into whatever you're using, your PC, whatever application you're using, and then that's just it. I didn't mess with no audio settings to make it sound better or anything. I just plugged it in. I put the volume to like medium. I didn't put it high, so it could even be louder if you want. But I left it like at medium. I messed around with it a little bit, but I kind of mostly just left it on medium all the way through. And yeah, it's like I said, it's amazing. It sounds really, really good. Like I said, my mindset was to pick up a Blue Yeti, but I came across this one, and I was just like very shocked of the price range. The difference of the price range to it, like the Blue Yeti ranges from 100 or up. This is $27, I believe, like at old times. The price never goes up. If anything, it might go down, but I don't think it never goes up. You're bang for your buck. It's a very good investment. If you guys are looking, I know most people out there are looking to get the Blue Yeti. I personally myself was, but I'm very pleased with this, and you save so much money. Like, you guys can add it up. $27 or $100 to plus dollars for not much of a difference of a mic. But yeah, that wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you guys did enjoy this video, or if it was helpful or useful, go ahead and leave a like. If you guys didn't like it, go ahead and dislike it. Just let me know what you guys' thoughts down below in the comment section. While you guys are here, please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot. I'm really trying to grow my channel 2020. I'm trying to stay consistently on this. Post videos daily. I want to try to make my content better. I'm trying to buy things, better equipment, slowly but surely. It's not going to be overnight, but I'm definitely getting there, and I'm trying to get better at making content, trying to get better at making videos. Like less than a year ago, I basically had nothing. I was making videos of, I'll probably make a video of that some other time if you guys are interested by hearing how I used to make my videos and how I'm doing it now, but I'm really trying my best to do what I can. I'm also looking to build my first PC gaming / editing PC. I really need it for like editing and streaming. So if you guys know any good like graphics cards or RAM that's pretty good and not too crazy expensive, then go ahead and leave me a comment down below, like what should I pick up, because I really need some help of what should I pick up. And yeah, that'll be great. That'll be really helpful. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of the video. Please subscribe, it'll mean a lot. Let's go this year, man. 2020, let's get it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.